Okay. So I'm recording. Alright. So today, as you can see, good morning. This is going to be for 2 days. Today and tomorrow. And every time we do this, I give you bonus points, by the way. So don't worry. Alright. So this is pretty much the whole outline we're going to do for the 2 days. We're going to do open ticket, quick review of the intro paragraph that we learned last time. Then I'm going to quickly check how you're doing on the intro paragraph. I'm going to actually go around and see. Then we're going to start with body paragraph. Then the revision worksheet in front of you. I love you. Then we're going to get the worksheet and ending. Oh, I'm going to new classmate on Monday. Alright, so let's start. We're going to open the review. Quick review also, if you notice. I'll do the journal. So for this, our worksheet, don't worry, is this one. Okay, remember online, that's what I'm going to get tomorrow. Okay, alright, and then for the material, like I said, the detail over here. This paragraph, that's for you, since I get that. Easiest way, press print to PDF, and then print it off yourself. Alright, so let's start with review. I think you all have your phone, correct? This is teamwork. So, team. So there's a total of, you can only do team. Sorry. Unfortunately, I can't because I didn't want to pay for this one. I'm sorry. Yes. All right. So teamwork up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so maybe only max of 5. Sorry. Good. All right. So we will continue. All right. So now I want you to get your intro paragraph out. I want to see how far you are at. Remember where you have to do the hook and the thesis statements? So let me use this example. Here is, where is it? So, I don't know what happened to Kojun. Really? Well, Kojun, this is Kojun. Where are you, Kojun? Where? Kojun? Alright, so you got this one, which is really good. You're going to use this for the body paragraph today. But where's your thesis and hook one? Yeah, you have it? I just want to quickly look at it. Remember that you have to do that. Where's the sheet? Thesis and hook. Hey, very good. Excellent. So, remember, you have not yet, but it's okay. That's why I'm checking. Let's see here. You? Can I see yours? So this person, for example, Youngjun got the hook. He's going to choose one of these hooks and one of these thesis statements. So all he needs. Oh, and he also has. I think this is the body. I mean the bridge. So yeah, the bridge, right? Okay. So he has the hook, and then the bridge, and the thesis statement. That's his introductory paragraph. Very good. And then he has this, which will help him with his body paragraphs, which we will be learning about today. And then later, we are going to learn about I'll give you different paperwork, which is the conclusion. And then all of these paperwork you put together, you're going to combine it into one. Which we've done okay? Just make sure the most important part is the mind map, the intro and hook. So the ones that are most important to you right now is this paper and these two papers are the most important for you right now. Okay, don't lose it. These are the most important. All right, see? All right, and then what I gave you, the one that's on the Google Classroom about the body paragraph, you have to print that out yourself. All right, so it looks like most of you did it. Just make sure you don't lose that paperwork. Kojun, don't lose that paperwork. If you do, you'll have to do it at home, and you have a lot more work to do at the end of the semester. All right? All right, so now we are learning about the body paragraph. All right, a quick introduction video. Any question, by the way, before we move on to the body paragraph? Any questions about your introductory paragraph? Any questions? What are you doing? Don't start it right now. Any questions about the body paragraph? Not body, intro. Nope? Okay, let's start.
It's the longest part of your essay. It's where you make your arguments, explain your ideas, and give your evidence. Here's how to write a body section using short paragraphs. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Jessica from Scuba. Here to help you achieve your academic goals. Before you start writing the main body of your essay, you need two things. A thesis statement
Okay, so let's start here. Up. All right, so we're going to talk about, this is also, well, if you have this, Kojun, this is yours by the way. If you use this, if you go to the part 4 to complete the notes, it's also here, which is writing the body paragraph. So make sure you're following along. Okay? Kojun is yours, so you can follow along. All right? I'm sorry, yes, I know you have many notes, but I want to make sure you're following along. Yes. All right, part 4, body paragraph. Yes, part 4. You see? So. Writing the body paragraph. It's in a different one. Yes, I know you have lots of papers. All right. So let's start. We already know the basic structure. What is the basic structure of an essay? What's the first part? Tell me. What's the first part? Is the what? When you do a paragraph? No, the whole thing. Hook, which is in the introduction. So the hook, introduction. What's after the hook? Bridge, and after bridge is done. Bridge is done. It's a thesis statement. Very good. And that's all part of what we call the introductory paragraph. All right, very good. Now we're focusing on the body. Remember what I told last time. It's like a hamburger or a sandwich. You have the top of the bun, which is the introduction, and the bottom of the bun, which is the conclusion. Now we're getting to the meat, or the details, one of the most important parts. It's called the body. And as you see in the body, each body, it says here typically 3, okay? But use the keyword typically. It can be less or it can be more. All right? So, but in each body paragraph, you must have these 3. Topic sentence, evidence and elaboration, or what we'll focus on more in depth is this acronym. ICE, not ICE. It's ICEE, an acronym. All right, we're going to focus more on that today. All right, so as you see, ice. We're not talking about ice from the US. We're not talking about a cube of hard water or cold water, the solid. We're in the thesis statement. So let's say in the thesis statement, they talk about apples, bananas, and cherries. So the first body paragraph should be apples. The second body paragraph should start with bananas. And the third body paragraph should start with cherries. It must be the same order as the thesis. And again, do not forget about transitioning. So usually the transitions is in the introduction. So transitioning into one idea or topic to another. The flow, as we say. Here's an example. So, where is the introduction in this paragraph? Can you tell me? Where's the introduction? What is the introduction part? Can you read the sentence? Which one is it? Science experiments. You create you do a claim and you need to test the claim. All right? Why is it significant? It's also known as elaboration. And so, what that means in simple terms. All right? For explaining the evidence is you need to explain or paraphrase the meaning of your evidence. You need to simplify it so your readers understand what it says. That's all it is. You're literally paraphrasing it and simplifying it in a way that your readers can understand. Or concluding what you said between that elaboration and connected to the topic sentence. However, for mine, you don't need to have a second setting of evidence or elaboration. In mine, you only need to do ICEE. Okay? No need to do another setting of evidence or elaboration. Alright? You only need to do it once. But only once for one body paragraph. You'll need to do 3 body paragraphs. So once you understand the first body paragraph format, just copy the same idea for body paragraph 2 and body paragraph 3. Okay? Any questions? I said, don't worry about that. So we're going to put it all together. So what we're going to do here, all right, we're going to pull this up. Hold on, let me pull it up here. All right, so remember the worksheet I gave you? What we're going to do is we're going to look at this. Can you identify this? We're going to focus on that one first, okay? Pull it up. You're going to work with the partner. We're going to work on the first one together. So, as you see here, topic sentence, details, conclusion. The details, topic sentence, is the I here. The details is the citing of the source and explanation. And the concluding sentence is the ending sentence. So, with your partner, you are going to choose, actually, we're going to do one together. Okay? So, let's look at the first sentence set here. Alright? We're going to look at the first sentence set. Alright, let's zoom in here. Alright. If you can't see this, then you're blind. Yonghwa, can you see this?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Obviously, the last one, as you can see, the history of donuts interesting but complicated, that would then be the concluding sentence. So now, what I want you to do with your partner right now is topic sentence 2, 3, 4. Right now. Do it right now. You have literally about 4 or 5 minutes left. 4 or 5 minutes left. Put a timer on.